Hi everyone and welcome to this lecture. As I promised you before, in this lecture I will be taking you deeper into the Facebook ads campaign objectives. So let's go now to Facebook Ads Manager and let's click on create a new campaign. The first thing Facebook will ask you to do is to choose the objective of your campaign. Many people treat this step lightly. They pick any objective and move on. Well, this is a very bad thing to do, because if you choose a bad objective, you could end up throwing money in the garbage. And if you choose the right one, you can end up making a lot of money. In this lecture, we will discover the different main objectives of a Facebook ads campaign. And I will show you the difference between them and tell you which one is the best for your business. Objective number 1, brand awareness. The simplest translation of this objective is increase the awareness of your brand by reaching people who are more likely to be interested in it. If you want to establish a brand, this objective is beneficial to you. For example, if you opened a new restaurant and you want to brand it, it's good to do an ad with this objective, but not with a very big budget. Maximum $100 for this campaign if you are a small restaurant, and $1,000 if you are a big one. As a consultant, infopreneur or local business owner, your objective is to get leads or sales. That's why you don't have to put a lot of budget on this objective. This objective will help you build your brand, but will not help you get direct leads or sales. Objective number 2, reach. The simplest translation of this objective is show your ad to the maximum number of people. A campaign with this objective will cost you a lot. Facebook charges you for each 1,000 impressions, so the more you show your ad to people, the more you pay. In order to succeed, you have to put the right product or service in front of the right person. So if we want to make sales or generate leads, we don't want to reach a huge number of people. What we want instead is to reach people who are interested in our product or service and who are willing to buy or give us their emails. If you have some piece of news to spread, the reach objective might be good for you. But this is not our case now. Objective number 3, traffic. The simplest translation of this objective is send more people to a destination on or off Facebook, such as a website, an app, or a messenger conversation. If you choose traffic as an objective, Facebook will send a lot of traffic to your store. At a first sight, this might look interesting, but let's dig deeper. When you pick this objective, Facebook will search in his directory for people who like to click on ads and will show your ad in front of them. Well, don't be surprised. At the end, that's what you ask Facebook to do. You ask Facebook to give you traffic, but this is not what you want. Because we all know that people who click on ads will not necessarily buy your product or services or give you their emails. So targeting people that click on our links is not the most optimized option. The traffic you want is the one that clicks on ads and buy. Objective number 4, engagement. The simplest translation of this objective is get more post engagements, page likes, event response, or offer claims. If you use the engagement objective, Facebook will show your ad to people who particularly engage a lot with content. This means that Facebook will show it to people who like ads, write comments, share content, and tag their friends. Well, yeah, this is super cool. We all need and want engagements on our ads. Well, don't be surprised now when I tell you that this is not true. We want more engagement, right? But we want engagement from people who usually buy. People who usually engage with ads are not necessarily buyers. So this objective is not the optimal objective and it will not bring you massive sales. However, sometimes we use this objective in some of our campaigns. We use it when our objective is to get social proof. We spend $20 in order to get likes and comments and shares in some of our ads, because we know that social proof will definitely increase the value of our products or services and increase conversions. Don't expect this objective to bring you direct sales, because when you ask Facebook for engagement, Facebook will give you engagement, not sales nor leads. Objective number 5, lead generation. The simplest translation of this objective is collecting your viewers' emails. And this is a very important objective for us. If you are looking to sell your online courses online, or if you are a consultant looking for clients, or if you are a local business owner, it's better in 90% of cases to get the emails of your prospects and use an email marketing campaign to transform these prospects into clients. So this objective is very efficient if you want to generate leads, because Facebook will search in his directory for people who are most likely to give their emails and show your ad to them. In this way, you maximize your chances of getting more qualified leads. Objective number 6, conversion. The simplest translation of this objective is drive valuable action on your website, in your app, or in Messenger. Pay attention. Conversion objective helps you drive valuable actions on your website. And what are the valuable actions on your store? What are the actions you want people to do on your store? Well, I'm quite sure you want people to add to cart and then to purchase. If you choose this objective, Facebook will optimize your campaign to target people who do valuable actions on website. And this is exactly what you want. So to sum everything up, the most important objectives for your business are leads and conversion. If you are creating a campaign in order to work with email marketing, it's better to choose leads as an objective. If you want your prospective customers to do valuable actions on your website, such as add to cart or purchase, it's better to work for conversions. But if you prefer to do something else, you can start with an ad with engagement objective to get some social proof and then move later to conversion or leads. In the coming lectures, I will show you how to do this. I know you might think this is simple. Well, it's not. So don't rush out to your ads manager now and start your campaign. Stay with me, you have so much to learn through the coming lectures. Things that you might think are simple, when in reality they are the reasons why some people master Facebook ads and excel while others fail. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. In the next one, we will dig deeper in the ad set level and you will learn new awesome things.